Hello everyone, I am Parnavi and you are tuned into the 511th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with an insightful update from Swatantrata Chetna. Health insurance is often seen as a safety net for major medical expenses. But what about routine healthcare cost? Our very own Mr. Bhaskar Nerurkar, head of health administration team at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, stated that OPD coverage is designed to fill this gap. While most plans cover hospitalization and surgeries, OPD coverage includes expenses like doctor consultation, diagnostic tests, and prescribed medicines without the need for hospitalization. OPD coverage supports regular checkups and preventive care, helping detect issues earlier and manage chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. It is useful for young adults starting health plans earlier and senior managing frequent medical visits. Premium paid for OPD coverage may also qualify for tax deduction under Section 80D, offering financial relief while ensuring consistent access to outpatient care. Up next, we bring you a significant development reported by the Indian Express. At a recent Life Insurance Council event, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority whole-time member Life emphasized the need of insurer to use data and engage millennials in life insurance planning. While awareness is growing across all age groups, millennials, India's largest working demographic, respond better to logic than emotion. Also pointed out the emotional appeals are no longer enough. Instead, insurers should present clear data-backed insight that shows how life insurance fits into long-term financial planning. This includes illustrating coverage gaps, future financial risk, and the benefits of earlier policy adoption. This message is clear to make life insurance relevant for younger audience. Companies must shift from emotional storytelling to analytical, personalized communication. With digital tools and behavioral data, insurer can better connect with this tech-savvy generation. Our next story, featured in the Financial Express, highlights that India's insurance industry is expected to undergo major changes by 2040, driven by AI, evolving customer needs, and climate risk. At this recent SAS Financial Express roundtable, industry leaders discussed how insurers must modernize legacy systems, ensure data privacy, and manage fraud while adopting AI responsibly. The Economist Intelligence Unit presented four possible scenarios for the sector's future, from hyper-personalized customer experience to challenges in fragmented regulatory environment. With India's large and digitally connected population, the demand for insurance will grow, but so will the complexity. AI can speed up processes like underwriting, but it also raises concerns about data quality and fraud risk. Our final story today comes from the CNBC TV18. Karur Vasya Bank and Seema General Insurance have partnered to launch Seema Kisan Sathi, a combined crop and personal accident insurance product aimed at rural and agriculture-focused communities. The product will be distributed through Karur Vasya Bank's rural and semi-urban branches, while Seema General Insurance will manage underwriting and claims. The company plans to use satellite imaging and real-time data to assess risk and improve claim turnaround times. It also aligns with the national goals of achieving insurance for all by 2047. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you find these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week.